Hi friends, today I am making a quick and easy basil pesto pasta with chicken using shop bought pesto. It is perfect when you want a big flavor without spending too much time in the kitchen. Let's get started. Let's see what ingredients we need. I am using shop bought basil pesto, which you can easily find in any supermarket. I also have pasta sauce. You can use any kind you like. For the protein, I have two chicken breasts cut into pieces, seasoned with salt, black pepper, chili powder, and little lime juice. For the vegetables, I am using broccoli cut into florets, onion and spring onions, mushrooms, and two large tomatoes chopped. You can add any vegetables you prefer. Also, I have ginger garlic paste, cooking oil, chili flakes, and black pepper powder, and salt to taste. Finally, we will need pasta and some cheese to finish the dish. First of all, cook the pasta according to the package instructions. Once it's cooked, drain the pasta and keep some of the pasta water aside. We might need it later to adjust the sauce. Next, I am going to cook the chicken. Add a little oil into the pan, then add the chicken to the hot oil and cook it well. Stirring from time to time. When the chicken is cooked properly, add the mushrooms followed by the ginger and garlic paste, and then the onions. Mix everything together and cook for few minutes. Now I am adding chili flakes and black pepper. That's optional. If you want, you can skip that. This is my broccoli. I have already cooked in the microwave for 3 minutes, so I will add it later. Next, add the tomatoes. If you have cherry tomatoes, they cook even better for the flavor. Check the salt level and add a little salt if needed for the vegetables. Now add the pasta sauce, followed by the basil pesto. I am adding about 5-6 teaspoons of basil pesto. That's the hero of this dish. Roughly half a bottle. You can really taste the basil and garlic in it. Basil pesto is a classic Italian sauce. It's traditionally made by crushing fresh basil leaves, garlic, pine nuts, parmesan cheese, and olive oil. Next, add the broccoli and mix everything well with the sauces. If you have fresh cream at home, you can add a couple of tablespoons for extra richness. I am using some from my fridge. Now add the cooked pasta. If the mixture looks a bit dry, add some of the reserved pasta water to loosen it up. Mix everything well. Finally, add cheese. You can use grated cheese, parmesan, cream cheese, or any cheese you prefer. Now I am adding my spring onion. And that's it. Our basil pesto pasta with chicken. A simple, comforting dish and a complete meal perfect for a family dinner. Thanks for watching.